according to the Quran, Jesus is three, yet he is one. The Quran says so, not me. Let us see. So if we go and see what the Quran says about Jesus, the same verse where it says there is no Trinity is the same verse says that there is a Trinity, but a Trinity according to Islam, which is not what we believe in. You see, I don't speak Basha, but here it says that the Messiah is the Word of God. Which one is the Word of God? I don't know. Somebody tell me, which one is the Word of God? The Messiah, in the verse here, he is a messenger. Isa al-Masih, he is Rasul. Okay, we got this one. He is Rasul. So what he is? He's a man. He's a man. Okay, and then he is a kalima. You see, they are using Arabic word. Okay, hold on. So now we have what? We have the Messiah is a Rasul. He's a man in the flesh. Be my witness. This is the Quran. He's a Rasul. And then he is a kalima. He is the word of Allah, which is a proceeding from Allah. And he sent it to Mary, but he is a spirit. He is a ruh. He is a ruh. Here they are adding the word Jibreel, but in the Quran should not have Jibreel. What Jibreel? What Jibreel? What Jibreel? There's no Jibreel. In the whole chapter, the whole verse, there's no Jibreel. That's fabrication. So it should say that he is a Rasul, he is a Kalima, and here it should say he is a spirit. Anyone, which one is the spirit? Which word is the spirit? Somebody help me. Which one is the word spirit in the chat, in the text? There's no ruh. The ruh is gone. There's no ruh. You see the liars? Do you see the liars? In Arabic it says وَرُوحٌ مِّنْهُ. Here we go. Be my witness. وَرُوحٌ مِّنْهُ. Liars. Liars, liars will die in fire. Now let us change the translation. We will use different translation, which is Indonesian too, to see which one of them is saying the truth. Give me a second. It says the word Allah blowing by Jibreel. Where it says that? You see the liars. You see the liars. You see the scumbag. I feel sorry for you, Indonesian people. Why they are lying to you? You see, I'm going to change. Look, in the front of your eyes. I'm going to change the translator. It was Quraysh. Now I will make it Basha, Indonesian Basha, Indonesia, whatever. Here we go. Let us see how the translation will change. I'm sure it's going to change. Do we have Jibreel here? I don't see Jibreel. What happened to Jibreel? He died? Where is Jibreel? I don't see Jibreel here. You see, this is a Muslim translation too. Jibreel is gone. Jibreel took vacation. So look what it says here. Isa al-Masih. He is the word of Allah. Kalimatullah. Okay, he is the word of God. He bestowed upon Maryam. He sent to Mary. And he is a ruh. You see, in the other translation, they took the word ruh. Do you see the liars? So look what, let us go back to zero. In this translation, it says that the Messiah is the following. He is a messenger. The Messiah, where is the word messenger? I don't see the word messenger. I should say Rasul. Anyway, it should say Rasul here somewhere. that Isa is a Rasul, and now he is the Word, and then he is a Ruh from Allah, and he is a Rasul. Okay, 3. So Jesus the Rasul is the man, Jesus the Word of God, and Jesus the Spirit of God. But this is a 3. This is a 3. Ustan is a messenger. Ustan is a messenger. Okay, where is Ustan? Where is Ustan? Hold on. Otsan. Okay, here we go. We found it. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. I forgot my Basha language, you know. After I learned the last 70 languages, because Ali ibn al-Khattab, sorry, Ali ibn Abi Talib, he speak 1,000 languages. He did beat me. So look at this, Muslims. They lie to you. They say we Christian believe in 1 + 1 + 1, and that is impossible. It's you who believe in that, not us. How Jesus is a man, yet he is Ruhullah. He is the Ruh of Allah. He is a Ruh of Allah, not just a Ruh. Here it should say the Ruh of Allah. Ruhun minhu. From who? From Allah. So he is, number 1, let us count together. Number 1, he is a Rasul, which means a man. Number 1. This is number 1. Okay, this is number 1. He is Rasul. Wonderful. Number 2, he is the Word of Allah. Number 3, he is the Ruh of Allah. But this is one person. How Jesus is one person and he is a 3? And the funny, in the same verse it says, don't say Trinity. Which one is the word Trinity? Tell me, guys. Which one here in the verse is the word Trinity? Which one? Somebody help me. Where is the word Trinity? Do you see the stupidity? The same verse saying it cannot be 3 and 1 in the same time, but the same verse saying there is Trinity. But this is their own Trinity. Which one is the word Trinity? Tiga? The word Tiga. Okay, here we go. We found it. So look at this. Here it says there is no Trinity. So how Jesus is 3 and 1? Is Muhammad 3 and 1? No. Is Musa 3 and 1? No. Is Muhammad is the word of Allah? No. Is he the Ruh of Allah? No. He is Rasul of Allah. According to Muslim, yes. But he is not the Ruh. He is not the Kalima, not the word of Allah. Only Jesus. Muslims, can you explain to us how Jesus is a 3 and 1 in the same time? Tahutiga, God is a 3. Okay, no problem. Tahutiga. Okay, so they are saying don't say God is a 3. First of all, we don't say. You see that stupidity? It's you who said Jesus is a 3. It is you, Muslims. It's you. We don't believe in this, by the way. For us, we don't believe in this. It is you who believe in this. For us, this is not a Trinity. This is your Trinity. So how you are trying to say to us, don't say God is a 3, and in the same time you are believing that Jesus is a 3. We Christian, we don't say God is a 3. We say God is 1. So we proved from the Quran that Jesus is God. For Jesus in the Quran is coming from above. I am not coming from above. I am son of Adam. Jesus is not son of Adam. Now we understand why Jesus is not the son of Adam. Do you understand me, Christians from Indonesia? Do you understand what I'm saying? If we ask the Muslim, okay, why only Jesus is not the son of Adam? All of us, we are born of Adam. Okay, all of us, no exception. Why Jesus? They have no answer. The Messiah is born as God. He speaks wisdom. Who taught him wisdom? Where he taught wisdom? How he can be taught wisdom? He just born in the cradle. speaking the wisdom of God. And who said that? The Quran.